Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a busy mode or temporarily disable purchases in WooCommerce. This is useful when we want to pause orders but still keep the website visible. When we turn on busy mode in WooCommerce, customers cannot place new orders while we manage high traffic, update inventory, or take a short break. Instead of closing the site, we keep it open for browsing but stop new checkouts. This helps us stay in control of our store operations. Let's see how to set up busy mode on WooCommerce. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to woocommerce.com. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, go to your stores under My Stores. If there are no stores, just create one. If there are stores, we can manage our store. Now to set the store to busy mode, go to your website and then to your plugins. Click on Plugins, browse the plugins. Here, search for vacation in your plugins. You can also add business hours indicators if needed. When you find the Store Vacation plugin for WooCommerce, like this one, download it. After downloading, just click Install. If you are not a premium user, you will see the download option. Premium users can click Install Plugin directly in the Plugins section. Once the plugin is installed, set it up to enable vacation mode. When the plugin is enabled, choose the hours or days when your store will be busy. Now your store will show as busy, but customers can still view your store. This is how we add busy mode on WooCommerce. It's an easy way to manage the store during busy times or when doing maintenance.